everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2023 Nissan Altima, and we're going to do the side door chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation. It's just a regular chrome door panels, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it gives it a sportier look onto the vehicle. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the panel. So to prep the panel, you can use any cleaning solution that will help remove any contaminants on the chrome panel. Just make sure that what you are using is safe to use on your vehicle. And all I'm using is just 70% alcohol mixed with water, so that helps remove contaminants as well as help the panel be clean in order for the adhesive to stick better to the panel as well. So like any other installation with chrome deletes, you always want to start off from one end. So align it from one end, and once you have it aligned, just use the bottom half of the door panel as a guide in order to align the film to the chrome panel here. And if you need to reset, you can. Just make sure you have material to cover the chrome. So once you place the film, start squeegeeing to tack it down. And with this one, you're only covering just a certain portion, because the other half of the top portion of the door, it's rubber. So just make sure you give yourself enough material when you're trimming to cover just the chrome. And then the film, tuck in underneath inside here. And now that we tack down everything, we can trim off the excess material. And then after we trim off the excess material, we can apply heat to seal the film. And then don't forget to trim off the excess material from here too. Once we finish trimming, now we can apply heat to help seal the film. Okay, and the same steps that we did for this panel, you would just rinse and repeat for the rear door panel. So for this last piece, you want to start off by aligning the film to this edge first. So align it using the bottom half as a guide. So if you need to cover more ground, so roughly around there, and just use the bottom half as a guide in order to install this film. And then just start squeegeeing the flat surface first. And then on this section right here, there is a small curve. Just help the film tack down to this curve. It's not a deep of a curve, but just take your time and squeegeeing the whole film down to this curve here. Now with this part, just take your time as well with the curve. You could add heat to help remove the fingers here, but just take your time to remove each finger. So how the film lifted, apply heat and then tack it down. And that should eliminate all of the fingers, and it should look flushed. Let's just add heat to help the film tack down. Just a little quick heat around the film. Now that we added a little bit of heat, now we could trim off the excess material. So make sure when you're trimming, you give yourself enough room in order to cover the chrome, and then just trim off the excess material. And the last thing to do once you finish installing all of the pieces onto the door panel is just using a heat gun, post heating all around. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster and it stays secure onto the panel. So just grab your heat gun and go section by section, post heat the whole film. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the side door chrome delete for the 2023 Nissan Altima. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.